Kicks 105.5 WKXH. Good morning. I'm JJ. It is Wednesday, May 17th. It's 7:50 and 39 degrees outside. I'll have your full weather forecast coming up in just a little bit, but right now we're going to talk with Mike Barrett from the Barrett Insurance Agency. Good morning, Mike.
Good morning. That Vermont Heritage commercial, I think that was recorded in 1997 by Dave. That's the voice on that, yeah.
So it's been around for a while.
She's been there for years, but it's still as true today as it was back then.
So for good policies, I was thinking we were talking earlier, ways to save money on your insurance.
Yeah, we've talked about it. We're in an environment where insurance cost is just going up incredibly for most people. And we're talking all lines of business, homeowners, auto, recreational vehicle, business insurance. So you brought up the great idea of how about we talk about ways to try to cut costs. And I'm a big proponent of if you can save $1, that's $1 back in your pocket rather than an insurance company's pocket, so it's not a wasted dollar. So do what you can to save some money. So you had a great thought about your own car insurance. Ask that question, then we'll go from there. How's that?
Right. So my insurance is probably due in a month or two, and I have a little extra cash left over from my insurance claim for my wrecked car.
Sure.
Now, can I save some money if I pay that ahead of time and all at once?
So your auto premium, your auto policy will be renewing. Will you save money if you pay it ahead of time and all at once? If you pay it all at once, yes. If you pay it ahead of time, no. There's not going to be any incentive there. So hold your money until the invoice comes to you and then pay it in full and take advantage of that pay in full discount that'll be available. And interestingly enough, Progressive was one of the very first companies to offer that kind of an incentive of a discount. So a pay in full discount really was kind of unheard of until they brought it to market. Now everybody offers it. Now some companies are offering pay in full discounts on your homeowner. Not all companies, but many. I would say it's a high likelihood that almost every company now is offering a pay in full discount for your auto. So that's a great step to some immediate savings, because Progressive in particular, you could save hundreds of dollars by paying in full. Now, you had another one where you had a vehicle change and a premium due as a result of that. And your thought was, should I pay it ahead of time? Sure, pay it before it's due. This is the little trick that some people do. If you have a policy where you're not doing an automatic payment, and I'm talking homeowner, auto, recreational vehicle, whatever the case may be, if you have a policy that is not on an automatic payment with a credit card or a checking account, and you're manually paying that, bear in mind that there's an installment fee for doing that. An installment fee can range anywhere from $5 to $9 depending on the company. So if you have a 12-month installment and you've got a $9 charge, you're paying some money.
You're talking about $100,
you're paying a reasonable.
More.
Yeah, you're paying a reasonable amount of money. So, something to think about where if you pay before the invoice is issued, because the installment fee with most companies doesn't get added until the invoice is generated. It's a lot of work for people to do it this way, but there are people that do it. Or you can pay before that installment fee gets taken care of. The easiest way to do it, find a company that doesn't have any installment fees on automatic payments. So there are companies out there that if you do an automatic payment with a credit card or an automatic payment with a checking account, no installment fees apply. So that's another great opportunity for some savings. Take advantage of different things. There are times where, if you have do a driver safety course, that could save you money. Inquire. Say, hey, check and see what the driver safety course may cost. Check and see what it may save you, and see if it's worth taking, because it'll hang on to your policy for a few renewals for auto, for your home. With the advent of all these different systems, you got the Ring Alarm system, the Simply Safe system. You've got the Moen water detector systems that, they detect water flow that's not right and shut your system down. There's all these new technologies available, and companies are becoming keen and aware of these things, and there could be opportunity for you to save money on those. So long gone are the days where it costs an incredible amount of money to install a security system at your house. Still not free, by far not free, but certainly not that expensive. By comparison, you could realize some pretty significant savings just by looking at these opportunities. Check to see if the company that you're with has a group plan. Group discounts are available with many companies. Ask them if they have them. They'll tell you who they're with. I got some companies that if you're a member of the Littleton Food Co-op over in New Hampshire, in Littleton, at just the groceries, If you're a member of that, you could get a group discount with some companies. So it's something to think about. There's so many ways. And the best way to identify an opportunity for savings, ask. Just ask. Hey, am I missing anything here? And realize, too, that insurance companies put a full disclosure on renewals of all the credits available in your state. And there may be some credits listed on there that aren't available with that company, but you may find that there are credits with that company that you're not taking advantage of. So just check.
Right. So it's like I have Progressive, and I'm a platinum member.
Yes.
Yes, platinum.
I'm a platinum agent. Welcome to the club.
And I save money because I've been with them for
Yes.
quite a few years.
Mhm.
No accidents.
Yep.
That I caused anyway.
Right. That's a good thing.
So I have no insurance claims against them.
Right.
And I pay my full 6-month premium,
Which is awesome.
and I save some money there.
Yeah. The only thing that you're not doing that you could if you wanted to, but a lot of folks are very weary of this opportunity, and that's the telematic devices. Telematic devices app that you download on your smartphone from the company, and it monitors your driving habits. So it monitors if you are rapidly accelerating, if you are hitting the brakes really hard, if you're driving on the road incredible amount of time between midnight and like 4 a.m. These types of things that have been, there's more, but it doesn't have GPS. It doesn't know if you're going 100 miles an hour in a 65. It doesn't know that, but it does have an idea of some of the metrics it's looking for. And most of the companies now have that too. Again, and I think Progressive began with that. But telematic devices are another opportunity for possible savings.
So safe driving, you can
Safe driving.
save money.
Yeah.
save
I always
money
tell
there.
people, because the monitoring period varies from companies. Safeco's like 90 days. Progressive is the first policy period, so it'd be 6 months. I say drive like you're in driver's ed while you're doing the telematics, and enjoy the sweet savings thereafter. So,
Absolutely.
yeah, 10 and 2, baby. That's what you got to do.
And stay below the posted speed limit. I got a hefty speeding ticket once because I passed somebody.
Yep.
And I had to go above the speed limit to safely get
Yep.
around them.
Yep.
But there was this state trooper with a radar gun,
Just waiting for you.
and he says, "You can't speed." I says, "Well, I had to pass him and get back into my lane because there were other cars coming." He says, "It doesn't matter. What does the posted speed say?"
Yeah. They'll get you on that.
Oh, they did.
Yep. Oh, all right. So there's some simple ways. There's a lot more, but the biggest tip I can give everybody, JJ, is to just ask. Ask if there's opportunities for savings, because you could find out you're missing out. So
Absolutely.
just get on it.
So if anybody has any questions about how they can save money on their insurance, how can they reach out to you?
Sure. Just give us a call, 748-5224. You can find us on Portland Street in St. Johnsbury, online, thebarrettagency.com. Google, Facebook, and YouTube. Just look for Barrett Insurance Agency. And a quick plug, NEK Cornhole event to benefit the NEK Can is going to be going on Sunday at the Fenton Chester Arena. Get all the details online, Facebook, and on our website to learn more if you are a cornhole fan and want to help out a good cause at the same time. So,
Awesome. Thank you so much for joining us this morning, Mike.
have a great day.
And you have yourself a great day as well.
Yes, I'm going to go play in the snow.
We got some 70-degree weather coming up here pretty soon.
There you go.
Mike Baird, everybody, from the Barrett Insurance Agency on Kicks 105.5.